Hi all, everybody's in. Okay, then let's get started. So now we are going to preview the lessons created. Okay, so that will be our final. Excuse me, guys, give me 2 minutes. I got to attend this. Yeah. So okay, so we'll be playing our lesson, whatever we have created. Okay, so just look here and you can see the difference and whatever like I have created, you can see. Okay, so before that, I'll ask you to join, not join, I mean log into your website to make your sessions part two's attendance. Okay, so do that. I will play my lesson now. Now, when we clicked saved, all our changes has been saved. Okay, now we can play our lesson here. It will take a while. Okay, so hope everybody can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how it looks. Same, but without you guys remember when we add our introduction part? Okay, so that part we can play it from here after creating a lesson. Remaining all the parts will remain same. AR and VR, AR will be available in your mobile device, and VR you need a VR headset. Okay, to check that why it got disabled. And also the animation, you don't have any animation in your asset or lesson, that's why it got disabled. Okay, so the X-ray, explode, annotation, and move it manually stays the same. Now let's come to our introduction part. We have create our introduction. Now it's time to play that.
Signage is the design or use of signs and symbols to communicate a message. A signage also means signs collectively or being considered as a group. The term signage is documented to have been popularized in 1975 to 1980.
Yes, this is our introduction part, which we have at first, number one. Now click this button, which will take you to the next step. We have a memo for this. Okay.
This is the holder of signboard.
Yes, this is the holder of the signboard. Like we have added the text, so it is playing accordingly. Now next,
This is the base of this signboard.
okay, it got explained. This is the base of the signboard. So you can turn your annotation on here also. Now click next.
This is the signboard.
This is the signboard. So these three definition got saved there. So always remember you can go back and you can go next. Okay. Now press next. Here our activity will get started. So I have shown you recently, like we have a new option Now it's time to build. Just press go, get ready to build. This is a game. This is a small mini game which is exploded. You have to arrange the model how it looks in the master visual. Now it got clicked there. Now move this to here. It got fixed. Now we got the model how it looks in our master visual. Now the clock is ticking. Final, it will show the result. Okay, time's up. We did the we did the build activity. Now locate. Press go. Get ready to locate. This is also a mini game. Now please locate this part. Signboard. So you all know which one is signboard. Is ticking. I have double click the signboard and press click. Now we have selected our signboard. That was also a mini game. Okay. Now identify, go input what is this, so we can put our text here. So this is sign board holder. Now press enter here. Now press. Now signboard holder was the right answer. Though we have completed the mini game also. Now it's time for quiz. Press quiz. What is this? Okay, it's a stupid question. I know that. So we all know that this is an ancient signboard, which was the complete assets name. And this is the base, this is the holders. I'm not wasting any time. We got the right answer. Again, we have added one more quiz. Okay, now go. It asking what is this? So it is not signboard, not or anything. It's a signboard base. We have named it signboard base. We got the right answer. Now 3D recording part, that we did the 3D recording. Like see, rotate this. The explanation, whatever we said. Okay. You can rotate. Okay. Hold it. Go back again. Okay. This is the home button to go to the master visual. Now stop. No, our 3D is also got it, and that was our final conclusive like a mini game. Now finish. You have successfully completed your lesson and you have played it well. So this will be your assignment for today. Okay, you'll be getting a lot of time because our session is done. This is our final session. Okay, the training session, and we have a review session for tomorrow. Okay, you won't be having any classes about this. Now you all are set up to create a 3D object and unwrapping it, do the texturing, and you are on your own now. So watch the video, whatever you have seen today, just concentrate and create your lesson using the asset which you have created and publish that to Ion XR, which is really important. By tomorrow morning, before the session, you have to submit your assignment because this is your final assignment. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask me now. Any doubt? Anyone? I'm taking it as a no. Everybody got like the sessions. Okay, Jananda? Cool. Yeah, okay. So I've seen only one guy, that is Jananda, who have uploaded his work in Eon XR. So if you feel any doubt during your upload, just ask him. He will help you. Okay. Also for Jananda, for you, you have to change the texture by TIFF format. Just follow the steps whatever I have shown you like lately in the morning. Okay. Just follow the step. Convert the TIFF file to JPEG. Everybody do the same. Okay. Don't use the TIFF format. Just use the JPG. Apply the texture. Upload your work to Creator AVR, and that's your final assignment. Good luck, guys. Okay. Take care. Tomorrow again we will meet at your review session. Okay. So concentrate on your work and submit your assignment before 10 o'clock, before the closing time. So that's all, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. You get a lot of time now for your assignment, like half an hour extra you got, and 3 hours like post lunch. So complete your assignment. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.